me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed. You getting better with the times. Looking on your herbs, tasting like some fine wine. Ex broke your heart, you can hear that through a mind.
So let's get into this updated 2024 skincare routine. I asked y'all on my Instagram broadcast channel, The Dolls, whether y'all wanted to see an updated skincare regimen, a winter favorites video, or an all concealer makeup tutorial. And the majority won. It was a 2024 updated skincare routine. So that is what we're doing today. I honestly have been so obsessed with skincare. I get so excited about skincare. Skincare for me is so relaxing. I enjoy doing it at night, and I was sick for a little bit, so I wasn't able to do my skincare routine the way that I like to do it, and I truly miss doing my skincare routine. As I've gotten older, I really enjoy taking care of my skin, and the current products that I've been using have been helping me to keep my breakouts at bay, to brighten my skin, and just give me that overall glow that I have always wanted. None of the products in today's video are sponsored. These are products that I genuinely use and recommend. If you are struggling with your skin, I hope that this video helps you out. For those of you who do not find enjoyment from doing a skincare regimen, you might find that all the products that I use is overkill, but honestly, this is so relaxing for me, so it's never overkill for me. I truly just enjoy taking care of my skin. So if you would like to see my updated 2024 skincare routine, definitely keep watching. So we're gonna begin with an oil cleanser. This is the Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. I absolutely love this cleansing oil, y'all. It is perfect if you have oily combination skin. If you have more dry skin, I'm not sure how this would work on your skin type. This is really geared towards those of us that have oily or combination oily skin. This is perfect for removing your makeup at night. I didn't wear any makeup today, but I still like to go in and double cleanse, because this cleansing oil is going to get off any oil that I have on my skin and really attract any of the oils that are inside of my pores. So you want to work this in for a few minutes, y'all, because the more you do this, the more it's going to cleanse those pores. And then I'm taking a warm washcloth, and I'm just going to use it to gently wipe away that cleansing oil, y'all. And I do not use this washcloth more than once, y'all. Once it's dirty, I go ahead and I wash it, and I get a fresh one every day. And that really helps to avoid breakouts, because you're not putting all that extra bacteria back on your face. Next, I'm going in with my second cleanser, and this is the Youth to the People Kale plus Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Cleanser. And I absolutely have been loving this as of late, y'all. You want to take a little bit of cleanser in your hand, mix it up with just a little bit of water, and start massaging it into your skin, y'all. So this is your second cleanser. I like using something mild. Back in the day, I would be using so many actives on my skin, and honestly, all of that is unnecessary. My skin looks amazing because I really hydrate it and take good care of it. Now, when I say amazing skin, there are people who have way better skin than I do, but I'm referring to amazing skin as far as my own personal journey. My skin has just been looking better and better, and I've been able to keep away breakouts at bay by using less actives and more moisturizing ingredients on my skin, y'all. So I'm gonna take that same washcloth and just wipe away that second cleanser, y'all. And after I double cleanse, my skin feels really nice and clean and ready to go for the remainder of the products that I use. Next, I'm using this organic mineral pill face. I got this off of Amazon. I will link it in the description box down below for you guys. I have been using this on and off for a few years, so this step is not an everyday thing, y'all. I will do this twice a week max, but typically I do this once every 1 to 2 weeks. That is all that I need to do in order to keep my skin looking good. This is a natural, non-abrasive exfoliant, and I freaking love it. What I do is spray it on my skin and you rub it in circular motion. And I hope y'all can see on camera, but there's these little beads all over that start to form once you rub it across your skin, and that is getting off all the dead skin. So you just want to rub ever so gently, and it literally gets all the dead skin off of your face. If your skin is more dry, this will work for you as well to get rid of all that dead skin that is on your face, y'all. Like, do you see all of this dead skin that is coming off? I'm sure y'all didn't think I had a lot of dead skin on my face, but look. So even if your skin is not peeling or dry, doesn't mean you don't need to exfoliate. You kind of just gotta get a feel for your skin, and I know when I need to exfoliate. Like I said, I do this 1 to 2 times a week. So I'm gonna take the same cloth that we use for both cleansers, and I'm just gonna wipe away all that dead skin, y'all. So as I mentioned, the key to my skincare regimen now is hydrating my skin, not using a whole bunch of actives. So toning is major key for me. I know it's gonna seem excessive, but all of these toners that I've been using have been super bomb for my skin. I cannot use any products with niacinamide in it, y'all. I have discovered that that gives me an itchy allergic reaction, so I pay attention to the skincare products that are in every product that I use. If I use a product with niacinamide, my skin will break out in these tiny little bumps all over, and I'm just like, what's going on? So if you've been using some skincare products and you've been having like little itchy bumps on your skin, maybe you're allergic to niacinamide as well. I know a lot of people rave about that skincare product, but it does not work for everybody. So I just wanted to mention that. So I'm first gonna go in with this rose water and glycerin spray. And the reason that I like to use this is to make sure that all the toners are going onto damp skin. So I like to wet my skin with the rose water and glycerin, and it allows the toners to really seep into my skin. And you want to apply the toners to moisturized skin, not dry skin. So let's go ahead and get the skin nice and hydrated. And I'm pretty generous with that, y'all. Before your skin dries, you want to go in immediately with the toner. And I'm first going in with my Anua Heart Leaf toner. This toner is super soothing, y'all. It's the most soothing toner I have ever used. I go in with my fingers and my hands with my toner. I do not use a cotton pad. It's really not necessary, and I literally pat this all over my skin, y'all. I go on my lids as well, and I bring it down my neck and on my chest area. So that's toner number 1. Next, I'm using my Aqua Licorice toner, and this toner is amazing as well, y'all. This is great for keeping breakouts at bay. I no longer use salicylic acid, glycolic acid, any of those actives. I literally just use this toner, and I haven't been having any problems with breakouts at all. I'm just really trying to get rid of dark marks. And also I notice when I oil my natural hair, I tend to break out like right here around my hairline. I've got to do better with oiling my scalp and making sure it doesn't get on my face. So that was toner number 2. Now this next toner is one of my newest toners. This is the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Essence Toner. And this is a brightening toner, y'all. It's a little bit more thick than my other toners. When you apply your toners, you really want to go from most watery toner to the thicker toners. That's going to be the best method to layer your toners. And this is the newest toner that I have added to my regimen, and I love it. This is a brightening toner from Glow Recipe, and I absolutely love any brightening essence or toner. So I was super excited to add this to my regimen. I'm first going in with this Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Hyaluronic acid is a must anytime that I do my skincare regimen. I always use hyaluronic acid. I press it into my skin, y'all. It is just so so hydrating for your skin. It works really great with my skin, so I enjoy using it every day in my skincare regimen, day and night, y'all. Next, I'm going in with another serum. This one is from Lancome. This is their Genifique Advanced Serum, and this serum has hyaluronic acid in it as well, and it has a bunch of other great ingredients that help with anti-aging as well as overall just moisture and elasticity to your skin. This also helps with dark spots, y'all. I absolutely love this serum, y'all. I have just noticed how good my skin looks whenever I use this at night. Like when I stop using the serum, my skin tells me like, girl, what's going on? Because my skin never looks better than when I use the serum. I know it's pricey, but for me, it's always a must-have. I have to have it. It just works so good on my skin, y'all. Next, I'm gonna go in with eye cream. This is the Lancome Genifique eye cream, y'all. And eye cream is a definite must-have. I am in my mid-30s and I need a good eye cream, okay? Like I'm starting to notice my under eye area not looking as good as it used to. Keeping this area nice and hydrated and moisturized is definitely a must for me, okay? And I take this all over my eyes just in a circular patting motion, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well. And as an all over night cream, I'm using the Lancome Advanced Genifique Repairing Night Cream. I know this looks super small, but I got it with a holiday set in December, and I am going to get a full size of this night cream because I really feel like it does a nice job at boosting my serum, and it's hydrating and it's not too thick for my skin. I've used a lot of night creams, but some of them are just so freaking thick that it just does the most to my skin. Like it'll clog my pores, or it will just sit on top of my skin and not really penetrate all night, you know? But this particular cream works so great on my skin at night. So lip care is a must. I'm using the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil, and I love this stuff. I'm not sure of this particular flavor, but it's like a pinky color. I will link it in the description box down below for you guys, but I just love the way that this lip oil applies on my lips, and it is a little thick, but I like that because it really not only looks nice on the lips, but it stays on my lips all night long, and I just love it. Like look at that. It got my lips all the way together, honey, okay? So the last and final step is this Milk Makeup Lash and Brow Serum, and I like to use this on my eyebrows because literally they do not grow the way that I want them to. So we're trying to see if I can get these babies to grow, but probably not because I cut my brows really crazy when I was in high school into this really thin like circular shape. Girl, I don't know what I was thinking, but I used that on my brows, and then I'm also gonna go over my lash line right here because it helps with your lash growth and just overall lash integrity. So I like using that at night as well. So here is my updated 2024 nighttime skincare regimen. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. If you're interested in checking out any of the products that I use in this video, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys. I want to thank y'all so much for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate it. If you have any video requests, leave them in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already checked out my latest video, be sure to click the box right here before you leave.